How to send a gift message. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can send a gift message on Instagram. Firstly, on your device, open Instagram app. On Instagram, make sure you are logged in to your account. Now from the bottom panel, go to your home page, then to your chat section. In this video, just to show you guys, I'm gonna tap a random account, but you need to tap on the account where you would like to send the gift message. Now at the bottom, tap on the message box and type in your message. After that, tap on the search icon. Now here you will see different kind of effects. One is a love one, another one is a bubble one, the other one is a gift wrapping one. Along with that, there's also a fire effect. Send it as per your liking. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.